I'll guide you through how to use AliExpress coupon codes the easy way, without the frustration of finding a code and not knowing where to put it. If you're looking to save money on your next purchase, or you simply want to take advantage of the best deals available and so need to use AliExpress coupon codes, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, you'll want to find a coupon code. Open a new tab in your web browser and search for AliExpress coupon codes to find various websites that list current promotions. Once you find a suitable code, copy it to your clipboard or write it down somewhere. Now go back to the AliExpress app or website and add the item you want to buy to your cart. Once you are ready to check out, navigate to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Look for a field labeled promo code or coupon code and tap enter next to it to reveal the field where you'll add the code. Paste the code you copied earlier, then tap apply, and the discount will be reflected in your total price if the code is valid for your purchase. By this, you have successfully applied your AliExpress coupon code. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.